Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you mastering PrizePicks strategy advanced tips. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. PrizePicks offers an exciting platform for fantasy sports betting. To truly excel and maximize your potential winnings, it's essential to implement an advanced strategy. Whether you are an experienced player or looking to step up your game, these advanced tips will help you refine your approach and make more calculated, profitable decisions on PrizePicks. Number 1 is to leverage advanced stats and analytics. Use detailed player stats and matchup data to inform your picks, like look beyond basic stats, matchup data, and look for historical trends. Number 2 is to manage variance with flex plays and power plays. Balance risk and reward by mixing flex plays and power plays based on confidence. Number 3 is to utilize the contrarian approach. Use the contrarian strategies to take advantage of overlooked value, avoid public bias, and then target underdogs. Number 4 is to track and adjust based on inquiry reports and rest days. Use inquiry and rest day information strategically, like last minute changes, back-to-back games. Number 5 is to consider the pace and style of play. Factor in team pace and style of play to predict player performance. Review and refine your strategy regularly. Continuously analyze and improve your strategy by reviewing your last picks, by tracking your performance and adjusting based on results. So that's basically what you can do, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.